Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Jasmy, a very much needed update here because we have actually been able to reclaim our levels. Reclaim some significant key levels here at 1.8, 1.9 cents. And this is the first time basically since that rally we did in September that we can actually be bullish on Jasmy here on the lower time frames, which is great. That's also deserved. I know a lot of Jasmy holders, and I know a lot of Jasmy holders are part of the community. So this is deserved. But in this video, what I wanted to do is kind of do a full video here on the situation for Jasmy, and then kind of focus on what the possibilities are for Jasmy in terms of buying it. All right, because I do think in terms of the situation here, it is a bit of a difficult situation, right? I mean, Bitcoin is at all-time highs. Jasmy certainly is not. So the strength of Jasmy against the market is not necessarily very strong, all right, compared to some other altcoins that have rallied more. But if you take a look at the technicals here, even on the 12-hour time frame, we have most certainly broken this downtrend, which we had since the end of September until Monday. So that is obviously bullish. I would actually say that the main structure here for Jasmy that we got back into is a consolidation, all right? Because if you look back at the price since the 5th of August, what you will see is that the majority of the time we have just consolidated here between 2.25 with the occasional fake out, that's true, and 1.8, also with the occasional fake out. So that has been the main consolidation range. You can also see these blue lines. The area in between is basically the main area where most of the volume has been traded. And as long as Jasmy is within that level, I would call this a range. By the way, 2.25 cents is also a very strong resistance level. Right now we've hit that level. Momentum is still increasing here, but I don't see enough of a reason to break out above such a strong resistance level. Right, volume is up right now, that's great, but volume across the market is up. Momentum is up, that's great as well, but again, momentum across the market is up as well. So for now, I think Jasmy is 100 times more bullish than what we were in the weekend and on Monday, but I would not buy Jasmy right now. For me, there are two reasons to buy Jasmy, and that would either be a strong continuation of the momentum we have right now. So basically what you see, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, like this is bullish. There's nothing wrong with this. But I would either buy Jasmy if we are able to get some sort of a continuation in the open interest here and we break above 2.25 cents. So yes, I will buy if we go higher. Because I think if we break above 2.25 cents, that's enough technical confirmation. If it's also in combination with more momentum coming in, I think that's enough confirmation to actually know that we are in a real bull run with Jasmy, which is a possibility. But at the moment, with the current volume, like if you compare this volume, for example, to the last year, we've certainly had volume much higher when we were more bullish in my eyes. And the momentum has also gone up, but it has been relatively flat for the last 6 hours. So I would either buy if we actually get some sort of a strong continuation, or I actually do think in these market circumstances that this level right here between 1.9 and 1.85 is going to hold. So if we drop back down to the bottom of the range, that's another area where I would consider buying if we actually get a decent lower time frame reaction from that. So those are my thoughts on Jasmy. If I would have to tell you what I think is most likely, I would say it's something like this, all right? And then eventually I think we'll gain enough momentum and just in general enough balance here to break out and rally up higher. But like I said, looking at the circumstances, looking at all the factors right now, I would not say that's most likely in the next 24 hours or so. But those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions or differing thoughts, let me know. I'm always open for that. But for now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.